Right, hello everybody. Right, this is my launch of this year's sort of Halloween gothic type journal. Yeah, it's what I would like to make a journal out of, basically. Okay, so it's a little bit gothic-y. It's you know, it's got the raven and that sort of thing. It's what I like. You know, because I've got a Halloween kit out there, which I'll link all my Halloween kits below. And that one's got loads of ephemera and bits and pieces. So I tried to do something a little bit different. And I've got the gothic kit with some flowers in. But I just tried to do something a little bit different and something that I would like to make a journal of. So this is where this has come from. Totally designed with myself in mind, I'm afraid. Okay. So it's sort of like 5 main like journal pages. Now I now printing my actual journal pages a little bit narrower here. Okay, so they are 11 by 8. Okay, because sometimes I've been cutting off too much for my size of journal that I'm doing, and I just feel as though, you know, the main element pages, right, are just going to be slightly narrower here. So they're going to now, I'm going to go back. I started off 11 by 8 actually, and I'm going to go back to that. But the background papers are all full A4 size, so you can, you know, print them out full scat and, you know, change it wherever you are. So, but these will fit the letter size, but like I said, the journal size is going to be 11 by 8. All right. So that's number 1, and another one here. Okay. There's 5 pages like that, I think, or 4. I can't remember. Is that one now? I think I've done 4 actually, like that. Is that one there? Then these are the bigger size. Okay. But like I said, mine's printed on a laser, so you do see I have got a border, but I just cut that off. That's fine. I think it's 16 pages in this one. I was going to do, there's one here. Some of these I printed on card. That one is a journal page. But I still think, you know, even if we cut that off, it's still going to be okay where I got these placed. So I left that one on the big side. All right. So it's that one. And then you've got the backgrounds that are full A4. If you print borderless. Okay, this is just, I've got another one that's grunged up, but I've also got, this one is just sort of plain. All right, in case you want that to blend in. And this one's slightly more grunged up. All right, that's a copy of that one. And that's that one without the elements. So can be made into envelopes and different things like that. And that's the plain background of that lovely marble effect. I love that. that's my favorite. I think did I use that last year? I can't remember. And then this one is just sort of a little bit spider web here. You know, it's just a collage in the background with some sort of grunged up elements. And then there's this one as well with some sort of similar to the other one, but I've done some writing here and the cobwebs, put Edgar Poe there. You know, I just sort of done that sort of thing there. This one is a plain version of this one. Now, I love this page and I know I'm going to use this a lot. Okay, so, but this is the grunge up version. This is as it is before I do anything to it. So I thought you could add your own inks and do what you want to that. Okay, and then there's 2 sort of backgrounds that go with the kits. Okay. Picked out colours from the kits, especially this one here. So this goes, and it also goes with, well, it goes with a lot, but I took out, you know, like even this colour goes with that, and that colour is picked out from that. All right. Where is that? There's one especially that I just thought, oh, Oh, I know, sorry, it's one of my first pages. It's there from there. I picked out the colour from what I filled that with. Okay, so again, how that would blend. Yeah, just to bring that colour in. You wanted to break it up with a bit green, you know. So yeah, that is the pages. I've had to do it in two because they're quite big. It's quite a big kit, and it's quite big files. Each page is quite. I would struggle to get it in one kit. These are, but I'm going to keep them fairly reasonable each side. I try and keep, if I do a journal pages and add-on, I try to keep it below the £5 mark. All right. So, and you know, so you end up not paying more than £5 really. Okay, so this is the add-on. Okay, and I've done, you know, I've made these myself and done these. Hopefully there's no spelling mistakes. Let me know if you buy it and there's a spelling mistake, I'll change it. But I really like these. I was quite pleased with these ones. That's something a bit different. And then I've got, I think it's 3 pages of journaling cards. And I made, some of these are made up from the kit. Some are made up different. Yeah, because I think this is part of the kit and this is, but there's those. And these ones. And this one you can, you know, do back to back, and you've got a few lines on the back of that one. That's that one there. And this one, this isn't part of the kit, so I designed these. I love this one. This is one of my favourite here. I love the way, I like them all actually, but yeah. And then this one here. And I use the grungy background in there and then just put a few elements in. I really like these. I'm quite pleased. And I think there's 4 pages of tags. I went a bit mad on those. There's those. And these are like the plain backgrounds, so you can put your own, because there's quite pages with elements that you can make up your own. Okay, and there. Yeah, and then these 2 are like, you know, already done, but then you've got that one there that you could do up. Okay, and here are some of the elements. There's those. Oh, I then put up like a little pocket. That's the background for that pocket. Then that goes on there, which I'll show you how to do that. And then you've got the 2 tags that go in the pocket and the big one in the back. And then you've got a few little tickets that you could use as well. Okay, it's just a little bit more interest pocket to do. And I've got 2 larger envelopes. There, but you could make more out of the background. Yeah, and then I've got the coin envelope there with the journaling cards. It's there. I always do the main part of the image at the front, because normally that will be either glued in, wouldn't it? So, or clipped in, so you don't really see that. And then, but you see this bit. That's that. And then tickets and page tabs. Tickets come out really good. Love this one. And then I've done a page of numbers because I felt like it. So, and I thought, oh yeah, and then I shrunk them down. So just give you a page of numbers, but different top font to what I've done. And I've done it all sort of crackly, and love these turned out really well. But I'm just playing around, so. And then I've just got 2 pages of ephemera. Okay, and hopefully I haven't used, I tried to find different ephemera, if you know what I mean, and I've used this in some of the backgrounds. So there. Okay, well that's that. And I think it's 18 pages on the add-on, so that's a pretty good add-on. And there's loads of things that you can do with this, absolutely loads. So I think it will do a nice journal out of that. So, and don't forget, folks, you can always shrink it down if you want a smaller journal. Okay, so that is my attempt at Halloween this year. Okay, well, thank you very much. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. I know. I actually quite enjoy it, but long as it's not too gory. But I have a trouble, you know, I think one year, didn't it, I used all that red, and my Gothic journal, wouldn't it? It looked like I'd actually slaughtered somebody in here when I was doing it. So, but I like the colours of this one. They're a little bit different for me. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.